Tusculum family, I'm Scott Hummel. I'm your new president, and I want to briefly discuss our response to the coronavirus pandemic. The coronavirus has certainly dominated headlines for weeks now, and we have watched its spread from the other side of the world as it has approached our shores and now has arrived here in Tennessee. And unfortunately, we do expect that it will eventually reach even our community. And so the Tusculum leadership and I have been monitoring the situation very closely, referring to CDC guidelines and consulting with other universities about an appropriate and safe response to this pandemic, which remains a fluid situation. We've taken significant steps to reduce the spread of the virus, including moving our classes online, as well as coordinating with the NCAA about canceling practices and athletic games. We know that this has been very disruptive for your lives, and we can only imagine how disappointing that this has been, especially for our student athletes who have practiced so hard and have worked so diligently to prepare for this season and for these championships. We know that you will stay strong and prepare for the future, because that is who you are and that is what you are made of. These adjustments and cancellations reveal to us how much we cherish our Tusculum family and how important it is for us to be together. And so while residential life and student activities have certainly been impacted, our student affairs staff are looking for creative ways to provide meaningful activities while still safeguarding your health. It is a challenge to shift our courses to online instruction, but our faculty have been working diligently to be prepared to continue to provide an outstanding education to you, even in a different format. I also want to express my appreciation to our IT staff who are working with our faculty and with students to make this as smooth of a transition as possible. In fact, I'm proud of all of our staff who are continuing to work diligently to keep the university going and to serve our students. This is a stressful time, and so Student Affairs and the university are continuing to provide resources to you, including tutoring and counseling. We remain here for you. Even as we make adjustments to this semester, we are planning for the future. So registration is continuing as scheduled. You'll still be able to be advised and register for your summer and fall classes. And while we can't tell you exactly what the NCAA will do, we do know that they are looking at ways to extend eligibility. So be ready for next year. Pioneers have faced challenges and difficulties for over 200 years. In fact, pioneers have faced pandemics before, and this generation of pioneers will come out of this stronger and more bonded. In fact, God remains our refuge and strength and ever-present help in times of trouble. Let me also take this as an opportunity to remind you of some important healthy practices. First, we don't need to panic, but if you are feeling sick and you have any symptoms, seek medical attention. If you think you may have been exposed to someone with the coronavirus, you need to self-quarantine and seek testing. Also, practice social distancing and avoid large crowds. And wash your hands frequently through the day, and each time that you wash your hands, wash them for at least 20 seconds at a time. We will be keeping you updated, and so monitor your Tusculum email and the website. And as you have any needs or concerns, please notify us. And finally, we're going to get through this together. Let us continue to pray for one another, and go Pioneers.